You want to try the chili oil? How's the food? You like it, Stephen? We are going for swimming in the beach. Right now it's almost like 5:43. Wow, there's a sunrise. Look at that. Beautiful sunrise. See that sunrise? Very hard. You can go there. Where you want? You too. Come on, go. Because too high here.
There.
Always choose a spot there is not much wave because you do not swimming.
Now let's go to the side. See. Go.
You want to walk in the sand? Get out. Careful. It's going to be cold. It's going to be very cold. You are going to be there. It's coming. Come here. Come here. Come here. It's coming. Careful. Don't go inside. It will drag you down. Wait. Come here. Come on. Let's do this. Oh, big one. Come here. Okay. Are you sure? You can stand, Stephen? Come here. Let's stand together. Stand together. Wow. Are you sure you can stand?
Yeah.
Come on. Come on, boy. Don't go deeper. Let's go deep. Stephen, go deep. Come here. Go deep. The big one coming. Ready? Are you ready?
Anyway.
Yeah, the big one is coming. Here. Ready? How is it?
Perfect.
Stephen is stuck over here in the sand. Look at it, Stephen.
Why do you do this?
Come on, Stephen. Get up.
I want a big wave and people.
Big wave come and take you down?
Yeah.
I don't know when the big wave is coming up.
Stop water there and I'm going to.
Stop water there?
I'm making a house.
You're making house?
I'm making a defense line.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Woo! You got the water. Big water. All right. Right now it's like a 7:51. We are leaving the beach. Seriously, beautiful beach. When you come over here, you can swim. The wave look like a little bit rough, but you can manage the boat. Me and Stephen have a great time, right, Stephen? Yeah.